Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I just want to show you the latest update. What? Where'd the car go? Oh my God. It's not in the drive. Well, there she blows. It is in the driveway, but it's been moved. Let me show you how. So I just finished installing the Borgeson power steering. Just got the pump in and I got the belts aligned. I went through pulley hell, but I came out the other side. It's all good. I did have to install a flex fan on a 2-inch spacer, which I know I'm going to get some grief from the Corvette and engine community, but I needed to get it moving and get it working so I could drive it, and more importantly, not have it be sitting there. So I just drove around the block. Still a lot of work to do, obviously, but man, I'll tell you guys, this power steering is awesome. So awesome. So we've got power brakes. The brakes are good. I had a little bit of a leak in the rear caliper, the driver's side rear caliper. I don't know what was going on. I took it apart, checked it out, cleaned it up, re-bled it. Everything's topped off. All the fluids are good. So we'll see. I realize that, like, you're never done with a car, but what do you think, you guys? I'm pretty stoked. Since you guys last saw it out, I did raise the front a tiny bit. I might go a little higher in the front, but everything's good. That's all. I just wanted to report back and say that the car is relatively safe to drive. I'm gonna take it over for a wheel alignment and maybe have the transmission rebuilt. I'm not sure. It is working. It's fine, but I gotta have the rear wheels. Look at the camber on those suckers. It's pretty extreme. So I'm gonna have the alignment done. I did my little alignment just in the driveway. It's not bad, actually. I mean, it's not, I'm sure it's not right on, the money, but it's good enough. Certainly it'll get me over to the shop, which is the idea. And I don't know if I have to legally have bumpers or not. I don't have either set of bumpers on. I'll probably focus a little bit on the rear now, maybe get the back valance on and put the rear bumperettes on, but the bumpers are a whole nother situation. I have the originals, but the rears need everything needs chroming, and I have 2 front bumpers, but they're both bent. So I got to see what I want to do with that and see if it's even worth retooling the old ones or going with new ones. All right, guys, that's the update. What do you think? Check with you later.